Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to draw realistic carrot. For that I'm going to use mechanical pencil for the outlines, then some color pencils for coloring it. These are normal colors which you can find on any color pencil pack. Then I'm going to use an mono zero eraser, and yeah, if you don't have that you can substitute it with the normal eraser itself. Then an white gel pen or an white acrylic marker for highlights, but that's not important. You can use these things itself, it works well for this. Friends, first of all, I have already drawn the outline, but I want to show you how to draw the outlines first. So I'll grab a paper. This is a normal 70 gsm printing paper, nothing special. Then take a mechanical pencil and draw a straight line first, then mark the heights, then draw an inverted cone or a triangle and form the basic shape by adding a little more details to the sides, then add the top leaves and like that things. It is very simple, a lot of you might know this. So let's jump into the coloring. Friends, coloring is simple but it kind of tricky. As you can see, I'm drawing the leaves right now. You can draw like anything, but the outline is very important in color pencil drawings. If you are a pro, you might do without anything, but if you are a beginner you can't, so always go with an outline. Then friends, now I'm completed the outline right now, and I hope you could do the same and with these easy steps. After that, erase the lines which you don't want and erase the whole area lightly so that you can see the outlines, but it will not be visible after coloring it. Then friends, let's jump into the coloring. First, grab your yellow color for the stem. I'll always draw shadows at dense areas at beginning itself, because after drawing that areas you can't shade the shadows properly. So if the area is so crowded around like that, please draw the shadows at first itself. As you can see right now, I'm drawing the shadows. Then after this, grab your yellow color for drawing the stems. Stems have some mid-tones of yellow color and some light greens also, but I can't find much light greens on this reference, so I'll grab my dark green color. Actually this is not a dark green color and it looks different. I don't know why they kept this color here. Friends, as you can see, this green is not working in this place, but we can do with anything. So if you want a dark green color, you can layer it up with a black color, so it will be even more darker, as you can see right now. But don't overdo it, because it may look grayish or too blackish. Friends, this video will be a follow along tutorial like that, so follow the steps accordingly so you can get the same results. Friends, we are going to draw the rest of the part with only this orange color pencil. Just grab your orange color pencil and start drawing very lightly. I'll always recommend to follow layering technique in each and every medium. It will give you a greater flexibility on your work and it will make you clear on your work actually. Then friends, if you want a lighter tone, just leave the space, and if you want a mid tone, control your pen pressure to achieve it, and if you want a darker tone, layer it up with another layer and another layer. If you can't achieve that much darkness, go with red color to achieve it. Friends, here I'm not going to use red much because I can achieve all those mid-tones and lighter tones with the orange color itself, but I just want to use the red color on the right side of the carrot to achieve that much darkness to show the light areas of the left side. So friends, I hope you are clear with this. Friends, if you are watching till now, I'd love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications because I'll be posting a lot more useful videos on this channel. This might not be the best, but I'll be posting a lot more useful content here. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notifications for my every videos. Friends, shadows are one of the most important things while you're drawing realistic or 3D drawings, especially 3D drawings, because shadows will give the depth and it will separate the background and the foreground and the subject, so you get a 3D feel in it, and it is so important. Don't forget to draw shadows, it will not be good. Then friends, as you can see right now, I'm not using any graphite. Graphite will be best for drawing shadows and these things, but I'll be using color pencil itself. Friends, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, I love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. I hope something you learned here, and thank you so much for watching friends. See you in the next video. Bye.